Hey guys, this is Sarah. She is from La Jolla, California.
I've learned a lot about different types of food and what's healthy for you. So being in the farmer's market, I've also learned like the secrets of where, you know, the stuff's cheaper and where, you know, it's better and worth investing in the stuff that's a little more expensive to stay healthy.
You going into maybe a dorm room next year, you still would buy fresh produce to stock up in your dorm room?
I definitely would, yeah. I'm like definitely gonna come make sure I'm at the farmer's market. It's great for like one day a week, a little outing to go to with your friends. You go to the farmer's market, you know, just pick up some stuff.
Do you think that buying at a farmer's market is reasonably priced for a college student budget?
Yeah, I would say so. Especially because you're picking up little things, so you feel like you're
kind of buying for one.
Yeah, you don't like when you go to the grocery store and you buy stuff. It's like you're like $100 for all the stuff you need. When you come here, you just buy the little bit of you know, I need a lime, you get a lime. You know, just the little things, and it feels like you're not spending a lot, and you're really not, because you know you look at what you need as opposed to like what just looks good. You know?
Oh, that's great. So, can you give maybe the viewers a tip on what do you think is the biggest bang for your buck here at the farmer's market?
I love the citrus around here. You can't get anything like it in the store. It's like so much better.
You'll have to check out. I have a lemon cilantro chicken recipe.
Oh,
that would highly benefit your living.
Good.
Yes, definitely. Well, thank you so much for your time. And check me out on kitchenability.com.
I definitely will.
And we'll definitely keep it going. Thank you so much, Sarah. I appreciate it.